Yo, yo, yo. How we doing, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome. It is a Saturday, and yeah, I didn't stream yesterday. My bad. Yeah, I was out on the motorbikes yesterday, and we ended up having family round and having a barbecue and whatnot, and I don't know, man. I was absolutely shattered. I wasn't able to stream. But yeah, I'm here now, and we're going to be doing a little bit of mapping. So, hope you're doing good this weekend. I'm doing good. Alright, let me just do a little sound check here. So it looks like the mic's good. Music good? I think the music's good. It's about to get a little bit louder, so let me just double check there. There we go. Right, let's turn it up a little bit more. There we go. We're good. Yeah, so we did a little stream on the garden designing stream. I think that was Wednesday, wasn't it? So Wednesday we did that. And since then, I've been to check at the hardware store. Speaking like an American, don't call it a hardware store. At a wood shop. I don't think you even say timber here. I spend too much time online with Americans. I'm losing my British identity. But yeah, very mad thing. I don't know. But yeah, so this is the map. This is Jamie's the map that we're making with Jamie, and I did make some big changes to the lighting. I'm wondering if I might want to change those back. Not too sure. I kind of like the vibrance that we had with the other one. Like, I don't know what this one is, but yeah, it'd probably be better if it was not as bright. Yeah, let me know how you're doing today. I have some work obligations coming up soon, so I don't know how that's gonna impact my streams, but I'm still gonna stream as much as I can. But I might just be playing, like, I might play games or something instead for just a few weeks. When I say a few weeks, it'll be a couple months, I think. But then we should go back to normal. Maybe I will try and get some development in. Also, we got Lost Souls. Is this one here? Okay. The vibrance is a bit wrong with this one. I need to change this back to the BBK one. So I had to the vibe. No, we don't want that. This is what we had for the latest map that we released. Oh, here it is, BBK. Bosh. Is that different to the Lost Souls one? Oh, Lost Souls is brighter. It's like that one. That's it normally. Yo, Masaki, how we doing? What's up, man? Chunk Dog as well. What's up? You right? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Is that how grey it usually looks? It's unbelievably grey. How bright's the llama one? Whoa! Then we got the Lost Soul. Yes, I think that's too bright, that one. What's Endless looking like? Vibrant. YBAF. Right, where's the yeah, where is the fog volume when we need it? Okay, let me bring that up to there. Okay, yo, Young Tokyo, what's up? Welcome. I've never been to Japan. I do want to go check Japan out, but It's never been. Yeah, I might do a quick light bake. So this will mess up the audio, but I'll be talking in about 30 seconds when it's done. Okay, looks like it's done now. So yeah, this is with some volumes that mess with the fog and the lighting. It's pretty cool. Right, so got a few things we want to do. Where do we start? So I did start smashing down some of these walls to start creating the pathway a little bit. I could start hollowing out this house to make this into the right house. What we could do is we can have an upstairs area. This is what I'm thinking for this house, because the house is actually like is a house back to back. So if this is the floor plan of the house here, you know, and then it's got a house behind it like that. Let me redo that. Well, what I might think of doing is we'll stick a staircase that goes up. So a staircase from here, basically. Onto the top floor, and the top floor is there. That's actually going to be like that. If this makes any sense to you guys, that's probably hard to see. And then you got the top floor of the other building, and then we can make the top floor of the other building like drop down. So, so you go into the first house, you go upstairs, you go across, and then you jump out of the top. So it's like a one-way thing. A very green hue, this is the endless one. Let me see what does a super sat feel like. I quite like the super saturation vibe. I mean, it's a game at the end of the day. What's the Shrek one looking like? Shrek's just a little bit less it wasn't endless. What was it? Super sat. Let's try that out. See what that looks like. Cool, that's looking good. So we've got the Batman Trend store, which we might change entirely. Get rid of that forklift for now. We've got Jeremy's integrity video as a flip book running through, which is quite cool. So we could be playing this maybe. Have I got? I don't even know if I've got his integrity downloaded, so I can stick it in the map. Have I got it? Question. Oh, there it is. Right, let me open that with Audacity. Just see what we got here. Might be loud. So.
Shh. Before I start top lip slapping.
Yeah. Okay, so we do have it. I don't know if I can have that much of a. Right, yeah, I might have to cut the start off and then just jump straight into it. So I'll do a fade in there.
Yeah, so anybody that was Curie boy, chatting me off. Hard an asylum like Snowden. Trust me, even if you don't.
Right, yeah, because of the limits on how much audio you can have, I'm gonna have to cut a little bit off. Probably here.
Born to do it like CD. These guys try cut
No.
like Snowden. Trust me, even if.
Okay. What if I can do effect fade out? And I'll do effect fade out, and then we'll go from
More
here.
serious than my slogan. Anybody wanna go against me, I will leave you seeking asylum like Snowden. Trust me, even if you don't see me, I'm working so I don't.
I mean that will do for now. I could look into trying to get more audio in. Yeah, but the issue is Black Ops 3, you can only have like 10 minutes of audio before it starts creating all sorts of issues. So, yeah. Sucks for us. Wookie, how you doing, Wookie? Welcome to the stream. Blaze, Dragon, Tree, Chase, Blue, Sprue, and Glue. What's going on? How you guys doing? I hope you're doing good. Today, it is Saturday. And yeah, we are jamming. And I can show this screen. Yeah, let me just share it. Right. So this here was me helping someone out with a bit of coding, building a script that targets specific doors. Basically, it extends again an array to search for, to only create an array of objects that have the string set as well. I'll just get rid of this. If you want that code, it's on my Discord. Right. So yeah, BBK file is here, and we want to go to the actual map thing. Let's go here. Just gonna go open, go map BBK. Have I already got integrity? No, I haven't. Right, so let's just sort that out. But Sprue says, good morning, Ice in chat. Wiki says, hey, yo. Blaze says, hey, Ice, how am I doing? I'm doing good, man. Yeah, thanks for asking, guys. Wookie's about to go ride some roller coasters. Are you about to go ride some roller coasters? Nice. That sounds good. We're off to go see the new Top Gun soon. So no spoilers, please. He dies. Oh, I don't know. I don't know if he does, but yeah, we're off to go see that. That should be really good. I did like the first one. I haven't seen it in a long time though. So yeah. Source data. No, it's sound assets. Sound assets. BBK. Okay, yeah. So it's called integrity. Shorts. And I'm gonna stick it on 100 like that. And we're gonna stick it on. Yeah, I'll do this actually. So after the WAV. I'm gonna go after the WAV like that. Bosh. So that's in the music channel. Nice. All right, save that. So we've got the integrity short. What we want to do is probably stick in a trigger here of a trigger multiple. Which I can't see. There it is. Right. Let's undo that and replant. Oh, it's got a big grid. Okay, nice. Okay, so you only want to actually play this music when you're in the store. And then maybe also have some sort of function that, let's call it store music. Okay, so store music. Okay, so while you're in the shop is when it's playing. We also want to have an origin of the sound. So we want the sound to play from the speakers. So from here. Oh, well, from the TV here. So let's go to script origin. And I'm gonna just stick that there. Put that up on the wall like that. And I call this store speakers. Wicked. So we've just added in a trigger. And we've added in some store speakers. Right, so how do we want to code this is the next question. We kind of want it to play, we want it to play music when you're in here, but we don't want it to keep repeating, to be like repeat, repeat, repeat. Also, if you walk outside the store and then you walk back in, we don't want it to like just keep like restarting. We want the music to sort of, it'd be good if it could remember where you are and then it just sort of carries on from there. Well, not carries on, but would be a continuation of. So let's think about the distance on this. So trying to think what other sounds do we have that would be good to copy. The Soul Collect sound, perhaps. I think that's pretty good. I need to probably open this up. So I'm going to go Soul Collect and just slap that into BBK1 like this. Cool. And then I'm going to just double check this file and see what I've got the music back on. BBK, right, let's just open it. So close that for a second. But yeah, it should be good. Wiki, man, enjoy your day out. All right, we're good here. We're good. All right. So here we got the different sound settings. What I want to do limit count. Is that the maximum number of those sounds you can have overlapping? Oh, damn. I didn't know that was a thing. All right, well, let's get the distance checks in there. And then we'll go across. Make it 3D as well. Don't want any pitch shifts. Is music. Yeah, we want to have that on there as well. Yeah, no, it is music. Okay, cool. Pausable is music, correct. Alright, I think that's pretty good. We just need to work out the correct radius for the speakers. So if we add a radius and just put like 1,500, that's the radius. Let's try 1,000. So you hear it outside the shop. Let's try like 900, try 800. Okay, you're gonna hear it at 800. That's outside the shop there. So try 700. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Well, we'll do 700. Well, no, do you know what? We'll do 800 and then we'll have a nice fade off. So we want 800 for the max sound. And then where do we want it to be full volume? Maybe at like 400? Maybe at like, no, 300? 200? Yeah, maybe 200. Yeah, so put it there. So we want 800 and 200. Cool, that's good. That's how big we need the sounds. So Soul Collect. Oh no, we don't want that there. Right, let's save that. Reload. Right, if I close that down, we can now get rid of the Soul Collect sound. Change that from 200. We want it to be loudest at 200, and we want 800 to be fade out sound. Wicked. Right, so we've got the integrity music playing there. That's great. Let's actually code this in now. So have we got a initializer? No. Why is the initializer? Close it out. Oh, did we have some issues with the might have had some issues with this map at some point. Do you think you ever redo the old tutorials and how to make custom zombie maps? So when I started my channel in end of 2016, so I'll say 2017, I was working on my channel full time, so I was able to put about 14 hours a day in, 8 to 14 hours a day. Didn't have a girlfriend either, so yeah, obviously my whole life was just about YouTube and just making content, and I wanted to make the most professional, best content I could. I sort of overestimated the popularity of zombies modding in my naive mindset. I kind of thought there was like a crazy amount of, a lot of people that would be into it. Like if I made better videos, it would get more people into it. But yeah, of course, there isn't the audience there. I think it has to some effect, as it like grown zombies, zombie modding, but not a lot. So, alright, I do need to load this map up and just see if this works. So, I'm gonna get, I'm gonna probably open this up and see if we can get this working. I'll do while we get a very primitive bit of code in here. I'm just going to do like a wait 200 there. What's the length on this? It's 130, so that's 90 seconds. So I'll just put like 95. Okay, so let me close that down, and then we got the two things here, right? So we got store music. So store music. I think it was called store speakers. Let me just double check that. Yeah, store speakers equals get n, and that is store music. Was it called store music? Yeah, it was. But yeah, let me finish what I was saying. So I kind of overestimated it all. Put a lot of time into it. I saved up some money as well from before that. I had like a couple thousand or something. I was a kid at the time, so I didn't have a crazy amount of money. But I decided, I would try and make YouTube a full-time thing. So I was putting everything into it, but the problem was like it's a very niche thing. If I put my everything into playing games, I probably would have done way better. But I also didn't understand YouTube very well at the time. So yeah. I lasted a couple years before just the rent and the cost of living was too much, and I had no money left. I was in debt basically. I was like, I can't do this. I need to get some money so I can survive. And so I got a job, and going from working on YouTube full time to having a job, I didn't want to spend 40 hours a week working. I think I tried to at first, trying to spend a lot of time streaming, but I was just burning out at work, and I wasn't effective at work as well. I wasn't as effective at work as it could be, which was, didn't want to lose my job, so I had to step up, had to roll back a little bit on YouTube a little bit, and so that's when the new stream times came in. So then yeah, I mean, a lot of things have changed since then. I've got a way better job now, much cooler job. I do games development as a living now, and I didn't want to just end the YouTube channel. I mean, I could have done, but I didn't, because yeah, I enjoy making zombie maps. So because I'm working so much now, like I work between 40 and 80 hours a week, and then YouTube on top of that, I don't have like the 14 hours a day to be making tutorials, because a 5 to 10 minute tutorial takes about 8 hours to make. You know, it's investigating what's the best tutorial to make. It's then trying to learn everything you can about it, which takes loads of time. Then recording it sometimes several times to get the perfect recording, and then several hours of editing, you know, or a few hours of editing, and then listening back, and then maybe not liking it, having to re-render it because there was something that didn't render right, the frame rate didn't render right or something. So fix that, re-render it. Then there's like writing up the description, getting all the source links, all the music. End of, basically, cut short, each 5 to 10 minute tutorial video can take like 20 hours. If it is, that's the worst case. Some like good times it's like 4 or 5 hours, sometimes 6, 7, 8 hours. But when you look at it, how much time I have in a week to spend making YouTube stuff, I don't even have enough to make one video a week now. Like I have 2 to 3 hours, like I have, well, it's about 1 to 3 hours on Monday, a Wednesday and a Friday. So on a bad week I have about 3 hours. On a good week I have 9 hours, and that's enough to make one video, or to do like 3 streams, like hour-long streams. And I would rather stream because it's a lot easier. It doesn't take, it's less effort really, and I focus on yeah. Simbo's waiting for the rope tutorial, like Noah fans are waiting for the fiber. I'll make you a rope tutorial right now, and you can just clip it and name it rope tutorial. Okay, let me just finish the script and then I'll show you how to work with rope. Make some dangly back, proper dangly rope. The annoying thing with rope though is you can't actually see it until you're in the game. It doesn't render in the editor. Right, store music, store speakers. So we want to do a store music. Wait, so how you doing, Simbo? By the way, you doing all right? Hope you are good. Oh, I need to get the these. Yeah. Are you joking about the rope thing? Do you not actually know how to make rope? I feel like it's you're just joking. You feel a bit stressed? Oh, Simbo. Just jump in a call now. Keep me company. Help distract me from working on this. Press. Oh wait, no, we don't want an F. No, we don't want that. We don't want that either. The weight, yeah. Yes, it's one of these. Okay. Cool. Link, light, won't bother with lighting, BBK. Build. Did I ever get this working? Why do you feel stressed? Can you tell Leslie? You took a look at some. Oh, do you know something funny about Leslie? Right, so my TTS bot that reads out the chat. I activated it, right? I activated it and it didn't work one stream, and so I just was like, oh, whatever, and left it. And then like a week later, I was watching someone's stream, and all of a sudden, like there was this German voice like reading out the chat, and I was like, oh, that's really weird. Why is your TTS bot on your chat German? And he was like, what are you talking about? And I was like, all your comments, like, they've all been read out in German. He was like, I don't know what you're talking about. And then I realized it just hit me like, wait a second. And I looked in my settings, and like Leslie was alive, but it turned German. And and I was, it's so weird, man. I didn't realize. So I think Leslie does work, but I don't understand why it didn't work at the time. Let me have a look and just see if I can figure this out. Have I still got the extension? Let me have a look. I don't see it here. Let me go manage extensions. It is there, right? So it's enabled now. And if I go to, let me go to options. Where's options? No options? Extension options. It's in English. And volume 0.99. Let's just do that. Options saved. Okay. So if I go here and I do pop out and I do F5, I don't think that's going to work. Let me try this again. I'll just open it in a normal tab. I think that might fix it. I don't think that's going to work. Let me try that. Okay. So is it going to work now? I can't hear it. I can't hear it. Yeah, I don't know. I think I don't know. I don't think it works. I've got it turned on, and it's yeah. I don't know. Extension reads every single one of these, right? That's good. Permissions, fine. Site access, enable. Okay. Cool. Let me now just do a refresh on there. So guys, if you type something in now, if it's going to work, maybe. I don't know. One of you type something? I don't think it works.
Simbo, something now.
Wait! It's working. I fixed it. There we go. I don't know if that's too loud, but woo. I got two versions of the chat open, so hopefully it doesn't double up. Max error. Max map node. What is a map node? Oh, is it all of these things? Okay. I have an idea. Right, I think these, because they all have nodes. Yeah, if I do like a prefab, save selected as new prefab. I'm just going to delete these. I'll turn these into like models, which should fix it. But for now, I will stick them in call a folder temp fix. I'm going to call this fix 1 towers. Cool. Cool, and then I can just delete that because that's at origin 0, so it can bring itself alive again. Okay, there are still probably quite a lot of map nodes, so I might need to do the same thing with a lot of all of this, like turning this into yeah. Let's see if that did it. Did you write something now? Because I said, can someone write something now?
Young Tokyo, does making a zombies map require a lot of coding?
No, you don't have to do any coding. You could have 0 coding in your map. It just wouldn't be as cool, you know? We look at some maps on the workshop. I can show you. Most recent. Oh, there's so much junk in here. What is this? Lord of the Rings? No images. This one maybe? Don't know. So this has some scripting stuff. I don't think it's got any custom scripting. Oh, it has a custom challenge system. Oh, you wrote this one. This map here though looks like it's just a map really. People released their code that you can use. Well, I'm trying to get you an example. It's not a good example. Maybe this one. Music script. I got my music script now. Cool. They're everywhere. Here's one here. Pool core. I don't think there's any. There's lots of people's stuff in here, but nothing custom. Just a map. So yeah. You don't even need scripting knowledge to implement a lot of the features that people have released. So yeah, it just makes a nicer map though if you do put a lot of custom stuff in. Because I can code. I mean, there's great coders out there that can do amazing stuff, but I can usually get my ideas made pretty simply. It helps. But you don't need it. Right, how are we looking? Max map nodes. Is that something that's going to be here? No errors found. No general errors. No log file found. Okay. Right. Well, that's a lot. Alright, let me just do the same thing with these houses just to try and reduce this. Sections all. Okay, so I'm going to write this down, but I'm going to fix this. Sections all. Also fix one.
Parser 32. Do you think in both 3 possible to make a good map like UE5? Parser 32.
Yeah, definitely. Yo, what's up, Parser? How you doing, man? Yeah. I mean, have you seen some of the maps out there? Depends what you're talking about. It's a very vague thing to say what you said. If you mean like something that's just like completely out of there, Leviathan's probably a good example. You know, you're probably not gonna get anything better quality than this, because Black Ops 3 is very limited. It's a lot better than World at War was, but still, the way normal maps work are not great, and the way lighting works is not amazing, and it's very limited. And yeah, so you're fighting all these limitations, like engine limitations, but with the limitations, you can still make like such varied, crazy stuff. Like this, I think, you know, this map was made 10 years ago. Well, originally 10 years ago, and it was reskinned and improved and had like a few people working on it full time. Probably got a collective of like 10 years of work in this map.
Parser32. Do you, if we port Unreal Engine 5 textures and models to both 3, can we make better than Leviathan?
Well,
Parser32.
here's the issue.
Yes, I remember Leviathan on War.
That's the issue. You have poly limitations on polycount limitations on Black Ops 3. So if you look on Unreal, some of the textures and models and everything are too high for Black Ops 3.
Stubby Assassin. Cheers from Mississippi. Pal.
Hey, how you doing, Stubby Assassin? How you
Great
doing?
content and maps
Right.
as always.
But yeah, no, we can't make it look like Unreal Engine, because Unreal's you can do so much more with Unreal, but you can get it not too far off. You're best off making like just making stuff in Unreal. But yeah, saying that, even look, what's this? Dungeon of the Dead. I've probably got to check this out. Is this a zombies map? Ooh. Someone's made a zombies dungeon. Oh, I need to set my VR up and check this out. But yeah, the detail you have in the models, the whole like normal map, height map, the material setup, the ability you have in Unreal is way better. It's a lot much stronger, much lighter as well.
Young Tokyo, when I hopefully get a computer, I gonna have so much fun making zombie maps.
Dude, you could make this in Black Ops 3, but you would run into such issues with management, and also the time it takes. Like this model here, you'd need to make like, yeah, you could probably have it quite high quality, but it would look nowhere near as good because just the normal maps don't work as well. So all these like kinks in this structure, in this like column in Unreal, this is probably like a straight box, but then it's just the material that makes it look curved and dented and all of that.
Parser32. In Gary's mod, I've seen some, for example, HD water effect and rain effect and etc. Maybe some tricks.
Yeah, I've seen that.
And also using the reshade for it.
I've seen that. That looks super cool.
GTG, have a great day or night.
Yeah, take it easy, man. And how you doing, Space Dive, by the way? You doing all right? But yeah, Tokyo, have a good one, bro. Enjoy whatever you're doing. With the nodes, I wonder if I need to get rid of this hot foliage. Alright, if I just save that and then go to here. And cool. Do that again. I probably don't need to go around deleting these things. I can just stick them in a layer.
Spacey Dive 7. We chill waiting for Steph to get up so we can go to shops.
Wake up, Steph!
Parser32. What about i4X?
I haven't looked at that.
Lots of limits.
I haven't looked at that. I don't know. Right, it comes just after this windings bit. Is when this error happens. I've never seen the max map modes error before. Yeah, we're off to go see the new Top Gun soon. See, I'm tired, man.
Spacey Dive 7. She hasn't been sleeping well past few days.
Yeah, I didn't sleep too well last night. Woke up at 2, then 4, then God knows. Windings on fence 01. Okay. Right. Is it about to fail? I don't know. Max map nodes. Yeah, there it is. Max map nodes. I wonder if we can go past that. Is this a linker? Compile still. Max map nodes. I don't even know if there's anything on the internet for that. Let's have a look. Right. Oh, program 115 got it. Loads. Okay, let me see if he's fixed it.
Spacey Dive 7. Be back in a little bit if you still on. Have to get Alex squared away this morning.
Back in a bit. Hey, now I'll be off soon. Off to go see the new Top Gun, so won't be on too much longer. But have a good day, Space Dive, and enjoy your shopping and whatnot. Yeah, dude. Right, I've messaged program because he was getting the same issue. Did you fix it? Let me have a look. Oh. Right. So you've reckoned it's a limit on something. So program says reduce any dense meshes, make any non-vital structural brushes into the weapon clip non-vital. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. I mean, let me go back to display. Right.
Simbo, back.
Hey, welcome back, Simbo. I think what I can do is probably go to layers. I'm just going to create new layer. Call this fix map max map. I can't even remember what the hell it's called. Max map nodes. Cool. Okay, that's that. That's what it says. Cool. I've cut half the map out as well, which kind of sucks. But... Right,
Simbo,
if I go down
come
on this.
Leslie Rabbit.
Come on, Leslie Rabbit. Go on this and do non-colliding. Right. Save, and then go back up. Okay, do non-colliding.
Simbo, she didn't wrap my piece of art.
You didn't write any art. Sometimes YouTube just removes comments because it thinks it's against the rules or something. But yeah, you wrote back and then you wrote come on. There's no comment in between. But yeah, YouTube has a flagging system, so if it thinks something you wrote is inappropriate or rude, it will never show it, not even to me. So non-colliding.
Simbo, weird. Simbo, oh yeah, IF5 and my rap has disappeared.
Yeah, either that or Leslie just doesn't like you, Simbo. How rude. Right, I'm colliding. I hope this does fix it. I really do. We're in a prefab, in a prefab, in a prefab. Yeah. Going deep in the prefabs. Make non-colliding. Right. Oh, is it this as well? Non-colliding. 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 Right. Okay. Delete that. Oh, make non-colliding. Right. Jeez. hoping that's enough to solve it. Let's try again. Let's, oh no, we don't want to do ignore. See if that fixes it. Right, let's have a little look on our Discord. T-Carp. Listen, we'll just have a look at some of this while we're waiting for it to compile. Live updating processing, asset reload, processing images. Okay. Is this the guy that said he got a blue screen? Words delete some of the stock files and do free. If that fails, may need to use. Still got the max map nodes. All right. Let's go super crazy. All right. Gonna grab you. Add this there and select this. Oh. And select this.
Simbo, what can I do then? Dang, not like I talk about gangbang. This YouTube ban my slang thing so lame.
Leslie spitting out bars. Bars of spaghetti.
ep29 are all said, hello, what's this map about?
Hey, how we doing? Welcome. So this is a map that I'm making in collaboration with Jeremy. It's a sort of, it's a mix up of the house he grew up in, and some of the places he used to go and visit that are local to the place he grew up in. But yeah, also, yeah, the skate park he used to ride at, the house he literally grew up in, the courts that he grew up with, shot loads of music videos and spent a lot of time around here. And also, yeah, just sort of playing around with the idea of him having his own shop, selling his own merch, and then your stereotypical London gated garden and the White Hart Lane train station he used to go and use, tower blocks that are synonymous with London. Yeah, a little bit of everything. So it's like a Jamie Zombies experience. Alright, if this doesn't do it, I'm in big doo-doo.
ep29 are all said, this already looks so sick.
Yeah, I'm basically chopping lots of big parts of this map out at the minute just to try and resolve an issue that we're running into. Because I don't think I've ever built something with this quantity of stuff. Like, there's like hundreds and hundreds of fence pieces and like hundreds and hundreds of shirts and thousands of like meshes of brick walls making all these different houses. Hundreds of different houses all made up of hundreds of thousands of pieces. And so yeah, we're really pushing the limits with this. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm ripping bits out to see if we can get it to compile. And once we get it compiling, we can start like trying to optimize bits and add them back in. The issue with the max map nodes, I didn't really know what that is. I know what a node is, but I don't really understand. It's a really vague error. But today we just had program 115 tell us that you can fix it by reducing the amount of structural entities. So yeah, he said reduce any dense meshes and make any non-vital structures brushes into weapon clip non-colliding. So that looks like it might have done it because it's now actually linking or compiling. So yeah, that might be a good job. So yeah, now we've got the fun task of pretty much going through adding everything back in and optimizing it all. It's gonna be fun. This map's only half done as well, so I've got to optimize and rip the whole thing apart and then add in probably twice the amount of stuff. Content. Oh, it's gonna be fun. I might have to start faking stuff as well, like hiding, deleting parts of buildings and really optimizing it. Yeah, how you doing today anyways? I'll say, are you right? What is that done? Oh, so it's actually doing something now, which is good. We got any other questions that didn't get answered? Don't know. Go have a look at the beginner mappers. Oh, this guy. Right, let's see if we got any. Here we go. Here we go, link to spin. Oh. Let's try and do something like that. Right, let's do a little example for this dude. So we're gonna call it origin. Is this door equals, I'm gonna do door equals get and door a target name like that, and then here origin node is equal to door dot target. Put a dot there. So get rid of this. Okay. Oh, wrong one. Right. And then we'll do, also we'll stick in a weight tilt. So grab all of that. Surface error, not in surface type params. Oh god. So there's a material we're using that's got error as a surface type. Ignore that one. Continue. Skateboard. Oh. Skateboard. Skateboard. Right. Might be the skateboard. Let's have a look at skateboard. Yo, Sal, how we doing? Welcome, man. Some of these make you angry. Well, they are challenging, so I'm not surprised. They make me angry too. Right, so this guy's wants an example of using this. Let's do that. Let's just call it bunker door. It's probably not called bunker door. Don't really know. Let's just call it trigger. So door trigger. That'll do. Press to open door. Cool. Let's do that. Cool. Okay, so do door, and then we'll do door. Okay, I'll do an array actually because it's two pieces of the door. There we go. Door. Trigger. We'll do a breach door indoors. Okay. We don't need rotate roll. Um, 2 seconds. Okay. Is there a disable link too? Don't know. Right, skateboard. Is it called unlink? Please be this material. Yes, service type. Right, wood. Cool. Right, so we fixed one error there. Huge. Okay, should go like this. I don't need to do origin node equals self dot target. We just want to do this. Cool. Do a trigger, set up the trigger, got the array of the doors, and then hang on. Alright, unlink. Yeah, it's probably unlinked. I don't need to unlink now. Each door, we'll thread a door. Cool. Alright, that should pretty much do it. Rotate the doors. I think. Oh yeah. We want to rotate the origin node, not the door. Oh. We want to rotate it. Probably not going to rotate it more than about 100. Actually, we want to rotate that the self dot script int. Okay. Wicked. Try this. Set up a trigger model, trigger use with target name on door. Cool. Set both doors to script model. Name both doors door and give as target name. Give both a script int. The script int is the amount of rotation. So put one as 100 and one as Steph. How you doing, Steph? You alright? Rama's parents just got here and we'll have to go see a film soon, so I need to tidy this up and get out there. We'll go downstairs and socialise. Oh, compiling loads. Oh, it looks like we're good. Right, let's go see how this goes. Neighbor opens door. Nice. Thread the open door script. Place it. Thread door somewhere at the bottom of the main function in your GC. Place the code above at bottom of your GC. Test. I think that's it. Oh yeah. I think it's an issue with wall buys, no, zones. Initializer maybe. What if I get rid of that? I just want to start the music system though. Did I not code the, what's it called? Sound store. There we go. Store speakers. Wait till player triggers it, and then we want to do a play sound out position. Integrity. I'm going to play that at the store. Origin. Cool. Alright, let me test this out, see if this works. You just woke up. Hey, good morning, Steph. I don't know if this is going to work, but that code should work. Open door trigger. Oh yeah. Let's do a 4. Create. To script origins and place on the hinge. Rotation of the doors. Spine of the doors, and copy and paste the angle from the model. we go. Link them to the doors. So select the door, then select the origin and press W. Cool. That should work. Yeah, no worries, Steph. I'm wrapping it up here, so no, you're not gonna miss anything. But let me try launching this now. This probably won't work though, because there's been so much since I last tested it. So much added. Yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day, Steph, and yeah, hope to catch you next time. So yeah, this probably won't work. It'll probably crash again because of the zone setup or something. We'll check it out. We'll check it out soon. So yeah, no, this is fine. This like loading screen thing's fine. But yeah, it's just got the loading screen to the last map I released. When it comes, I'll probably make a blank one while we're working on this one. But yeah, been sick last week. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. That sucks. I think there's an infinite loop here somewhere. So I'll remove some of this stuff out and that should fix it. Cool. All right, well, yeah, take it easy, everyone. I'll catch you guys the next time. And I think next time when we stream this map, we'll get it running so that we can start testing stuff. And then we'll start introducing stuff back in. But yeah, have a wonderful day. Enjoy whatever you're doing, and I'll see you guys. See you next time. See you later. Peace. Bye. Yeah, looking forward to seeing Top Gun. Should be cool.